Welcome to Nextool, where we cut through the noise and bring you gadgets that actually earn their spot in your life. No sponsored fluff, no fake reviews, just real innovation that solves real problems. We're talking about tech that's smart, practical, and honestly pretty addictive once you start using it. If you're the type of person who loves being ahead of the curve and discovering gear before everyone else does, smash that subscribe button right now. And hey, every single product link is sitting in the description waiting for you. Let's jump in. Magnetic charging station. Let me guess, your nightstand looks like a cable graveyard, right? 3 chargers, 3 tangled cords, and somehow your phone's still at 20% when you wake up. Here's your fix. The MagFlow 3-in-1 magnetic charging hub. This thing is borderline magic. You walk up, drop your iPhone, and it magnetically snaps into perfect alignment. No fumbling in the dark. Lay your Apple Watch on the side pad. Toss your AirPods on the base. All 3 devices charging simultaneously from one single cable plugged into the wall. But here's where it gets clever. Need to travel. This entire station folds completely flat, thinner than a deck of cards. Pop it in your bag, set it up in your hotel room, and boom, instant charging command center. The MagSafe hold is strong enough that you can use your phone for FaceTime calls while it's charging vertically. Your desk stays clean, your cables stay organized, your sanity stays intact. 1 hub, 3 devices, 0 compromise. That's how charging should work. Salad shooter. Quick question. How much of your cooking time is actually cooking, and how much is just chopping vegetables like some kind of medieval peasant? Enter the Presto electric salad shooter, and yes, it's exactly as fun as it sounds. This isn't a fancy mandolin that'll slice your fingers off. It's a handheld, electric food processor that turns prep work into a game. You literally point it at your bowl and pull the trigger. Drop in cucumbers, carrots, cheese, zucchini, literally anything. Press the button. Watch as perfectly sliced or shredded food shoots directly into your bowl. Want thick slices for stir fry? Swap the cone. Need fine shreds for tacos? Different cone. Ripple cuts for presentation? There's a cone for that too. The motor is surprisingly powerful. The cleanup takes 30 seconds under running water, and suddenly you're prepping salads, pizzas, and pasta dishes in a fraction of the time. This isn't about being lazy. It's about spending less time prepping and more time actually enjoying your food. Plus, honestly, it's just really satisfying to use. Monocular. You know what's frustrating? Seeing something incredible in the distance and having absolutely no way to actually see it clearly. That changes with this 10x42 professional monocular. This is basically a telescope that fits in your pocket, and the image quality is shockingly good for something this compact. 10 times magnification means that mountain peak 10 miles away suddenly fills your entire field of vision with crystal clear detail. One-handed operation. Quick twist focus ring that lets you lock onto your target in under 2 seconds. The optics are bright and sharp even in lower light conditions, which makes it perfect for concerts, sporting events, bird watching, or hiking trails where you want to scope out the path ahead. Here's what I love. It's small enough to clip onto your belt loop or throw in a jacket pocket, but powerful enough that you'll actually use it constantly once you have it. Spot wildlife before anyone else on the trail. Read stadium signs from the nosebleed seats. Check out architectural details on distant buildings. It's one of those gadgets that seems like a luxury until you own it, then suddenly you can't. Imagine hiking without it. AI smart glasses. What if I told you that your glasses could record your life, translate conversations in real time, and take phone calls without you ever touching your phone? Sound like science fiction? Welcome to AI smart glasses with integrated camera. These look like normal, stylish frames, but tap the side once and you're recording 1080p HD video from your exact perspective. Hands completely free. Here's where it gets wild. Built-in real-time translation for over 160 languages. You're traveling in Tokyo, someone speaks to you in Japanese, and the glasses translate it into your ear through bone conduction audio. No awkward phone pointing, no Google Translate app fumbling, just natural conversation. Bluetooth audio means you're taking calls, listening to podcasts, getting navigation directions, all while your phone stays in your pocket. Voice control through a built-in AI assistant handles everything from setting reminders to answering questions. The battery lasts a full day of regular use. For vloggers, travelers, parents who want to capture moments without holding a camera, or anyone who's tired of having their phone surgically attached to their hand. These aren't just glasses, they're legitimately the future of wearable tech, and they're available right now. Smart Ring. Smartwatches are great until you realize you're charging another device every single night and paying monthly subscriptions for features that should be free. The RingConn Gen 2 Smart Ring fixes both of those problems spectacularly. This is a titanium ring that weighs almost nothing, looks completely normal, and tracks your health metrics more accurately than most smartwatches because it's measuring directly from your fingers' blood vessels. Sleep tracking with breathing quality analysis, continuous heart rate monitoring, stress level detection, blood oxygen saturation, around the clock. Here's the best part. The battery lasts up to 12 days on a single charge. Not hours, not days, almost 2 full weeks. 0 subscription fees, ever. You buy it once, you own all the features permanently. The companion app gives you detailed insights about your recovery, readiness scores, and sleep stages without burying you in useless data. If you're an athlete tracking performance, someone optimizing their sleep, or just curious about your actual health patterns, this Ring delivers professional-grade data in a form factor so comfortable you'll forget you're wearing it. It's wellness tracking that actually fits into your life instead of demanding attention from it. Laser engraver hook. Custom engraved gifts usually mean ordering online, waiting 2 weeks and hoping it doesn't look cheap when it arrives. What if you could create personalized items in 5 minutes from your kitchen table? The LaserPecker 2 Portable. Laser engraver makes that possible. This is a legitimately powerful laser cutter and engraver that's roughly the size of a soda can. You can carry it to a friend's house, take it to craft fairs, use it in your apartment. No massive workshop required. It engraves wood, leather, plastic, metal, fabric, even curved surfaces like mugs and wine glasses with precision up to 2K resolution. The app is dead simple. Take a photo, add text or designs, hit start. The laser does the rest. Wedding gifts with custom dates and names, branded merchandise for your small business, personalized phone cases, wooden signs with family names, pet tags, jewelry. The possibilities are genuinely endless, and the quality rivals professional engraving services. For DIY enthusiasts, Etsy sellers, or anyone who's ever wanted to create something truly unique, this isn't just a gadget. It's a full creative studio that fits in your backpack. The initial cost pays for itself after about 10 custom projects compared to ordering online. ULO camera security cameras are effective, but let's be honest, they're ugly black boxes that scream surveillance state and make your home feel like a bank. ULO Interactive Owl camera takes a completely different approach. This is a home security camera disguised as an adorable owl that communicates through animated eyes displayed on its face. Sounds gimmicky until you realize it's actually brilliant. The eyes blink and look around when everything's normal. They widen when motion is detected. They look sad when you leave the house and happy when you return. It's security monitoring with personality, and honestly, guests think it's art until you tell them it's watching everything. Live stream 1080p video directly to your phone from anywhere in the world. Get instant alerts when unexpected motion happens. Snap photos remotely if you need evidence of something. Two-way audio means you can talk through it to pets, or tell delivery people where to leave packages. But the real genius is that it doesn't feel invasive. It feels like a friendly guardian. Kids love it. It actually improves your home's aesthetic instead of ruining it. This is what happens when designers who actually care create a security camera. Function meets genuine charm. Articulating Borescope. Ever needed to see inside a wall, under an engine, or down a pipe, but didn't want to pay a mechanic $200 just to look? This two-way articulating Borescope camera gives you literal X-ray vision for tight spaces. It's a flexible camera probe with a joystick controller that lets you steer the camera tip left, right, up, and down while it's inside confined areas. The HD screen shows you exactly what the camera sees in real time. Bright LED lights illuminate dark spaces. No app required, no phone connection, just turn it on and navigate. Drop it down a clogged drain to see where the blockage is. Thread it into your car engine to check for leaks without disassembling everything. Look inside walls before drilling for mounting brackets. Inspect HVAC ducts. Check under appliances. Find lost jewelry that rolled under furniture. For homeowners, DIY mechanics, or contractors, this tool pays for itself the first time it saves you from calling a professional just to locate a problem. It's one of those tools you don't think you need until you use it once, then suddenly it's indispensable. Metmo driver. Most screwdrivers are tools. This one is an experience. The Metmo Precision Ratchet Driver is what happens when engineers obsess over making the perfect handheld tool. The entire body is machined from aircraft-grade aluminum, so it's got this satisfying weight that feels premium the second you pick it up. But the real magic is the ratcheting mechanism. Every single click is crisp, tactile, and perfectly spaced. High torque means you can drive screws that would normally require a power tool. The grip is ergonomically designed so your hand doesn't fatigue even after extended use. It uses standard hex bits, so you're not locked into proprietary accessories. Forward, reverse, and locked modes switch with a simple collar twist. Compact enough to carry in your pocket, but powerful enough to handle serious assembly projects. This isn't about having another tool in your toolbox. It's about having the tool you reach for every single time, because using it is genuinely satisfying. Furniture assembly, electronics repair, home improvement projects. This handles everything with a level of precision that cheap screwdrivers simply can't match. Quality tools make work feel less like work. Triple screen extender. If you're still alt-tabbing between windows like it's 2010, you're wasting hours of your life every single week. The Mobile Pixels. Triple screen laptop. Extender is your instant productivity upgrade. These are two additional 1080p displays that attach directly to your laptop with magnetic clips. Plug in one USB cable. That's it. No drivers, no complicated setup, no external power required. Suddenly your 13-inch laptop screen becomes a 3-panel command center. Code on the left screen, documentation in the middle, Stack Overflow on the right, or trading charts across all 3 panels, or video editing with timeline, preview, and assets all visible simultaneously. They're shockingly thin and light, so they fold closed and travel in your laptop bag without adding noticeable weight. Coffee shop, airport lounge, hotel room, client office, your full workspace goes everywhere you do. For remote workers, day traders, designers, developers, or literally anyone who juggles multiple applications, this isn't just convenient. It's a genuine competitive advantage. Studies show dual monitors increase productivity by 40%. Triple. Screens. You're operating on a different level entirely. Stop switching tabs and start seeing everything at once. Fridge deodorizer. Your fridge smells weird. I know it. You know it. You've cleaned it. You've put baking soda in there, and somehow it still smells like old leftovers and regret. Here's why. Baking soda masks smells. It doesn't eliminate them. This stainless steel refrigerator deodorizer actually destroys odor molecules at the source using activated oxygen technology. No power source required. No batteries. No refills. No filters to replace. You literally just set this small stainless steel pod in your fridge and forget about it. It works continuously, 24 hours a day for up to 10 years. The technology breaks down bacteria and mold spores that cause odors, which means your produce actually stays fresher longer. Use it in your fridge, freezer, gym bag, shoe closet, RV, boat, literally anywhere smells accumulate. This is one of those purchases where you don't realize how much of a difference it makes until you visit someone else's fridge and notice the smell. $60. 10 years of performance. Your food tastes better, lasts longer, and your fridge finally smells like absolutely nothing. That's the goal. Multifunctional desk lamp. Okay, this is the one I've been hyping up, and it doesn't disappoint. Your desk lamp does one thing, it lights your desk. The Momax Q.LED multifunctional smart lamp does approximately 17 things, and they're all actually useful. Obviously, it's a lamp with adjustable brightness and color temperature, but drop your phone on the base. Wireless charging starts automatically at 15 watts, which is genuinely fast. Need to charge something else? There's a USB-A and USB-C port built into the back. The base has an integrated digital display showing time, date, temperature, and humidity. Built-in alarm clock. With customizable settings. Phone holder pops out from the side for hands-free video calls or watching content while you work. But here's my favorite detail. The light panel rotates and adjusts to literally any angle, so you can direct light exactly where you need it without weird shadows. Touch controls on the base feel premium and responsive. This replaces your lamp, phone charger, alarm clock, USB hub, and phone stand with one sleek device that actually improves your desk's aesthetic. For anyone working from home or who spends serious time at their desk, this is the upgrade you didn't know you desperately needed. One device, complete desk transformation. Call to action. So there you have it. 15 gadgets that actually deserve space in your life. No junk, no gimmicks, just legitimate innovation that makes daily tasks easier, faster, or more enjoyable. Here's what happens next. Every single product link is sitting in the description below. Some of these sell out fast, so if something caught your attention, check it out now before availability disappears. Hit that like button if you found even one gadget worth knowing about. Subscribe to Nextool if you want to discover gear before it goes mainstream. We're posting new finds every single week. Drop a comment telling me which gadget you're buying first, or if there's a specific category you want us to cover next. I actually read every comment and use them to guide future videos. Until next time, stay curious, stay ahead of the curve, and keep discovering tools that